Monkey hide one banana from taxman. Monkey feel smart. Monkey feel free. Then one day taxman knock on treehouse. Now monkey owe every leaf monkey ever hid, plus penalty leaves, plus interest leaves, plus a very stressful trip to monkey court. What monkey stand to lose? Everything. So listen close. Why is hiding banana so easy? Monkey work. Monkey earn leaves. Monkey supposed to give some leaves to monkey government. This called tax. But what if monkey just not? Monkey get paid in banana under table. Monkey no write it down. Monkey no tell anyone. On paper, monkey look poor. In treehouse, monkey rich. This called tax evasion. Hiding banana feel easy because in the moment, nobody watching. Now, quick vocabulary. Tax evasion is when monkey break law to not pay tax. Tax avoidance is when monkey use legal loopholes to pay less tax. Evasion illegal. Avoidance legal. One is lying. Other is reading the rulebook very carefully in monkey glasses. Rich monkey love avoidance. Same goal, less handcuffs. Remember the difference or monkey learn it the hard way. So, monkey feel confident. Monkey hide one banana, then two banana, then whole banana forest. Monkey buy shiny new treehouse. Monkey buy gold banana. Monkey post gold banana on monkey internet. Life good. Monkey think taxman is one tired gorilla with a clipboard. Monkey think, how he ever find my little banana? Monkey have no idea what is coming. Here's the problem, and it is a big problem. Every banana leave a trail. Monkey get paid, that a record. Monkey buy treehouse, that a record. Bank C, monkey leaves come in. Bank C, monkey leaves go out. Store C, monkey buy. The whole jungle is basically a giant paper of everything monkey ever do. Monkey can hide one banana. Monkey cannot hide the banana-shaped hole where the banana used to be. This trick taxman use called matching. Monkey say monkey earned 10 leaves, but bank report monkey deposit 1,000 leaves. Numbers no match. Computer go beep. Suddenly, tired clipboard gorilla is not so tired. And monkey math never adds up, because to spend banana, monkey must first have banana. If monkey buy gold treehouse on 10-leaf salary, monkey basically write confession and mail it to government with a bow on top. Where the bananas come from, monkey? Monkey have no good answer. And time is not on monkey side. Hiding banana is one quick moment. Getting caught can happen years later. Government can look back at old bananas long after monkey forget about them. Penalty grow the whole time, like a bad interest banana that only get bigger. Other monkeys can report you too. Angry ex-monkey, jealous neighbor monkey, business partner monkey who no get his cut. Everyone becomes a witness when leaves involved. Real jungle example. Many famous monkeys thought they were too clever to catch. Big businessman monkeys, movie star monkeys, even gangster monkeys. Governments could never prove the truly bad stuff. But the boring banana math, that they proved every time. So the mighty monkeys did not fall from their crimes. They fell from their spreadsheets. It is almost funny. The banana always tells on you in the end. So what monkey actually do? Simple. Pay the tax. Boring? Yes. But boring beat monkey jail. Write down monkey income honestly. Keep monkey receipts in one banana box. If monkey want to pay less, use the legal loopholes, not the lies. Talk to a smart accountant monkey who knows the rulebook. Deductions are your friend. Prison is not. This monkey math is easy. A small known leaf now beats a giant surprise leaf plus penalties later. And of course, this not financial advice, please do not sue monkey. If you now understand why hiding banana is easy but getting caught is basically guaranteed, you smarter than a lot of famous jailbird monkeys. Subscribe to Primate Portfolio so monkey brain grow big. And comment what monkey should explain next. Until then, keep your bananas honest.